All right, so placement alternator showed up finally. Just try to hit it and see if we need the jumper or not. Yep. All right, grab the jumper, then we can hook up our timing light, and we'll set our timing, and then button this thing up, and it'll be ready. All right, hit it. Now we're charging. Look, 14.4.
That's way better.
14.5. Hey, look, now it works. Awesome. All right, now we're gonna set our timing, and then we'll button up the last one and be ready to go. Thank you, Jimmy. Thank you. Turn that off.
Hey, Jimmy.
Thanks, Jimmy. You're all right. All right, happy camper. Fan actuates, the alternator's charging. We go for a quick test drive. And John's taking this baby home.